Before we start, let's take a quick look at the accessories included with Wi-Fi backup camera and solar Wi-Fi backup camera. Is your Wi-Fi backup camera unable to maintain a connection? Don't worry. Follow these steps to diagnose and resolve the issue. Check the battery level. Ensure the camera is fully charged before first use. Charge it for 3 to 4 hours, and at least 2 or 3 indicator lights should remain on. When connecting the camera, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and check if the camera's network appears in the list. If it does, confirm that the connection is successful. Disable VPN or similar software. VPNs can interfere with the Wi-Fi connection, so make sure they are turned off. Grant necessary app permissions. Ensure photos, network access, and the microphone are enabled in your phone settings. Maintain an optimal distance. For best performance, keep the camera within 30 feet of your phone. Transmission distance may vary based on vehicle model and environment. Connection successful, now start using it. If the issue persists, take a photo or video of the problem and reach out to us. We're here to help.